This is a Dayton ceiling fan from the late 1800s. I bought it from a guy in India. It was made in Dayton, Ohio, and I just got done rebuilding it with the new coils, the new field coils, and new axle. And it looks kind of cute. Nickel-plated brass. It's a 230 volt DC. Right now I have it on a motor speed control with a bridge rectifier afterwards to turn it into DC. And there it is. So this, instead of 230 volts, this is running on 120 volts, but through the rectifier it ends up putting out like 108. I also put a needle thrust bearing in it instead of having just a metal-to-metal contact, figuring it would give it less friction, kind of modernize it a little bit. And when I turn the speed control all the way down, it puts out 55 volts, and that's still enough to get the fan to run. So the fan's operating very smoothly. And the blades are in pretty good shape. I'm going to clean them up a little bit. They look like the original blades. Maybe they were refinished once before. And that's it. 1800s Dayton ceiling fan.